What up, guys? We're back again on Sherman. Today we're going to put a fuel cell in there. So the idea here, fuel cell's going to mount here. You can see we've already got some of our mounts flush mounted. I do like the clean look of the hatch. I'm going to try to keep it that way as best we can. So under here is actually the framework. Still got a little bit of work to do to it. So this will stay here permanent. This will be hinged up. Got a piano hinge we're going to put on there. Lift that whole side up so we can access the storage underneath. Wiring harness here is for the fuel pump and the fuel level sending unit. Climb under, show you where we got those from. That hole right there is where it normally drops down and hooks into the existing factory fuel tank. The fuel pump wiring is factory wiring. Normally, it would run up underneath the carpet, go through this grommet here. All I've done is I've pulled it out, ran it to the back there so we can hook up the fuel cells, pump, and sending unit. And this plug here goes to the factory evap, which with the LS swap, we will not be running that. So all of that is going to get deleted. All right, guys, new day, same project. Obviously, we got a different color strap here. Somehow, some way, within this small confines, I lost the other bracket. So, stopped this morning, picked up a little piece of aluminum, bent it up. Yeah, it's rough, but it works. We got the other one mounted already as well. Integrated the fuel regulator and filter into it. Got all our fittings ran there. Got a 6AN bulkhead running through the floor. Just gonna go up to the output there. Fuel line's gonna pop out right here. Got a little 45 on there to kick it just a little bit, keep it tight to the body. We're gonna run it along the factory routing. It's gonna be a lot of room because I believe this is feed line, this is return line, this is evap. I could have those two backwards, but all those are run from the factory and they're all coming out of here because we're getting rid of the evap canister here in an upcoming episode, and obviously the fuel tank's gone. So through the course of climbing up in and out of here, I realized this piece is kind of weak. So there's gonna be dogs back in here. I'm sure there's probably gonna be some kids back in here at some trail stops, whatnot. So welded in some structural reinforcement. Just had some plate steel laying around. You can see it runs the entire length. Got it welded in both ends. Pretty decent. So the goal now is this cover plate. I've already got it notched here for this one. I still got to notch that one because I just got it put in. This will slide into place as per factory. Calling a toe strap right now. And then the hinge is going to go from fuel rail mount to fuel rail mount. Clean that seam up, and I'm sure I can find something to clean the other two. And then this whole piece will hinge up to give us full access to the spare tire well. So cheaper than a tank tuck. I'm not saying this is going to be for everybody, but it's an option for you. Okay, so we got some of the hinges started. I want to finalize them until we get a chance to test it real quick. Fuel cell's pulled out. First try. Okay, so we're hitting. All right, take two of that. Move that out of the way. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect. Still got full access. I may even reinforce this just a touch, but that is exactly what we're looking for. We'll finish it up, get back to you. All right, setup complete. So, fuel cell, what's the old saying? That's not going anywhere. Friendly neighborhood ducks coming out and check out the progress. Fuel regulator, I mean, I'm pretty happy with how those lines came out. Still not any stress on the lines. Move the fuel cell a little bit backwards, but here we are. Full access. Just what I was hoping to get out of this project, because I hated the fact that with the fuel cell there, it eliminated access to that, but I think this is a very happy medium. You can see the cutouts here that we made, obviously just to clear the brackets, so no worries. And I didn't really give you a whole lot of information on these brackets here. This is reinforcement. This is some plate steel. See if I can get you up underneath here. Plate steel with some nuts welded to the bottom of it. But yeah, cheaper than a tank tuck. And obviously I've got all the clearance in the world. I don't even think a tank tuck will give you that much clearance, guys. I mean, this is everything you're gonna need right there. So cheaper than a tank tuck. I think it looks a little better too. Plus, what's not cool about having a fuel cell in your trunk? Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.